Now, your exclusive 7-storm team forecast.
Welcome back, everybody. Well, we have pictures here of some of the damage across the region. It has been a stormy night out there across the tri-states and the Quincy area and Palmyra and down into Monroe County. Looking at some of the worst of the damage, it has been pretty much a mess in many locations. Fortunately, nothing too severe, but definitely some structural damage, some signposts down, and some flooding rains as well in many parts of the area, some large hail and some straight line winds nearly 90 miles an hour in parts of the viewing area tonight. And we have the storms continuing right now. As we take a look on your sleep tight weather cam, it's a thundering and a booming and a lightning out there. It's doing whatever you like to call it. It's heavy and it's a rainstorm. It's not severe, but we do expect to see very heavy rains continue across the region as we go on into the day tomorrow. Here's what's going on the setup. A tornado watch in yellow across much of the region until 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. The orange counties here, Shelby, Marion, Rawls, and Monroe, do not have the severe thunderstorm warning any longer. It has expired, but everyone's still under the gun for the threat of potential tornadic thunderstorms as we go on through the rest of the nighttime hours. Now on the TrueView Titan X-Rad radar, we have some powerful thunderstorms moving across Adams County right now. Quincy, heavy rain falling here in much of the area. We have powerful thunderstorms with some small hail possibly and torrential rains pushing off to the east towards Camp Point, back towards Liberty, northeast of Payson, and then further back southwest into Monroe County. Back in Missouri, we've had some very heavy storms this evening. Stoutsville off to your north is another potent looking storm there. Nothing severe right now though. Temperatures across the region in the 50s and the 70s. 78 down in St. Louis, 55 in Kirksville, 51 in Bloomington. There is a front going right through the region here. It's been trying to lift northward all day long, and temperatures finally making their way into the 50s for many of us. The severe threat, though, will continue across the region on through tonight, in through the day tomorrow. Heavy rains also will continue. We're looking at flood concerns across the area. Flash flood warnings are posted for much of the tri-states. 3, 4, maybe 5 inches of rain expected with this system for many folks here in the tri-states as we head into tomorrow evening. And current temperatures across the region, 56 degrees in Quincy, 54 in Pittsfield, 59 in Keokuk, 55 with rain down in Hannibal, and 55 out in Kirksville at this very hour. So across much of the region, we have shower and thunderstorm activity ongoing. This activity stretches all the way back down through west central Missouri, back into Kansas, and then back into northern sections of Oklahoma. So we're talking about thunderstorms that will be lasting all night long. We also have flash flood warnings in purple here for most all the counties in the tri-states area. So for tonight, 59 degrees with severe thunderstorms, a good possibility of them. South winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. As we head on into tomorrow, more thunderstorms and more chances of some of them being severe with large hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes. Highs around 62 degrees. For the next few days, it's going to be stormy on through tomorrow. Then Friday, a chance for some rain and snow showers on the backside of the system. Any leftover moisture will interact with the cold air that will be pulled down into the system and into the tri-states on Friday. A few rain, snow showers, 42 for high. Saturday looks nice, lots of sunshine and highs in the middle 50s. And then as we go through the next few days, Sunday, the storms pick up again and damp weather on into early next week.
Well, you have definitely earned your paycheck tonight.
At least for tonight. You know, that's a first for the first time in a few months, but it's been busy, and I'm glad everyone's safe. Just keep your weather radios handy because it's a long night ahead.
All right. Well, we want to show you some of the more pictures that have been submitted from tonight's storms, courtesy of you. And this is a look at the skies that are coming in, the clouds coming in. You know, it started in Monroe County. There was a tornado spotted on the ground south of Madison, Missouri, and it just kind of moved towards our way. We kind of watched it. But these were submitted by you, and that's all you have to do is when you take a picture, just send it to share@khqa.com, and when you hold your smartphone rather, vertically, it comes to us like this rather than horizontally, so that's why they look a little bit different from each other. But this is a look at pea-size hail courtesy of @BryCooper78. Bigger hail, depending on, I'm not sure if that was placed near a coin, I'd have a better idea of really how big it is. But we did receive reports of half-dollar size hail in Shelby County, but scary skies out there. Yeah. Here's a picture of that trailer that had almost rolled right into Staples, but it did not. The building was not hurt. Wow. Scary skies. This is Monroe City once again. So thank you for sending your pictures, and feel free to post them on our Facebook page because there's always a morning show. And you had your work cut out for you tonight because you were a storm chaser for us.